Good morning everyone. So we will continue our class, that is perfect cube. So already I told you about perfect cube. What do you mean by perfect cube? Already we learned about perfect square. So what do you mean by perfect square? Product of any two equal factors forms a perfect square number. What do you mean by perfect square? Perfect square means product of two equal factors forms a perfect square. In the same way, perfect cube means product of three equal factors. If we have to take three equal factors, 3, 3, 3, these are the three equal factors and we are doing multiplication for this. So product of three equal factors forms a perfect cube number. Product of three equal factors forms a perfect cube number. Now coming to perfect cube root. Next topic is cube root. So we denote the cube root as in this way. This is a root value and this is the order of a root. So this is a 3. So we will call this as cubed root. If you take a square root means this is a square root value and the order will be 2. So what is the order? If the order is 2, we will take it as a square root. If you are not writing any order also, that means as square root only. But in case of cubed root, if the order is 3, then we will call it as cubed root. So for cubed root, it is important to write 3 as order. So this is called as cubed root. We denote the cubed root in this form. Okay. So what do you mean by cubed root? Already we know about perfect cube. What do you mean by perfect cube? Product of three equal factors forms a perfect cube. So what do you mean by cubed root? Product of three equal factors. Then we will take only one factor from whole the group. So in this group we are having three equal factors. We are doing multiplication. So product of three equal factors, and one of the factor we will call it as perfect cube value, cube root value. So I am taking here, I want to find cube root of 81. So cube root of 27. I want to find cube root of 27. So what I told you about cube root is nothing but product of three equal factors. Then one of the factor we will call it as cube root of a given number. So if you do for this, if I want to find a cube root of 27, cube root of 27 can be written in the form of cube root of this product of three equal factors. 27 can be written in the form of 3 into 3 into 3. So what I have to find? I have to find the cube root value of 3 root of 27. So what is the cube root of this value? That will be equals to 3. So why I wrote only 3? Already I told you that cube root of, that is a product of three equal factors. Then one of the factor we will call it as cube root value. In the same way, I want to find the cube root of 125 here. So what I want to find? I want to find the cube root of 125. So 125 we can write in the form of 5 into 5 into 5. That is product of three equal factors. Then one of the factor we will call it as cube root of a given number. That is cube root of 125 is how much? 5. So cube root of 125 is 5 here. In the same way you can take one more example. So I want to find the cube root of 64. What I have to find? I want to find the cube root of 64. So the 64 we can write in the form of 4 into 4 into 4. What I can write? 4 into 4 into 4. So what is the cube root of cube root of 64? Already I told you how to find the cube root. So product of three equal factors, then one of the factor from this will become a cube root of 64. So what is the cube root of 64 here? That is equals to 4. So this is how you will find the cube root value. Okay, next is estimating the cube root of a number. So how to estimate a number cube root value we will see here. So what is the next topic? Estimating the cube root of a number. So without doing the prime factorization, I have to estimate the number now. So what is the cube root of a given number? I have to number, that is. Okay, first pair is 261 and second pair is 9. So first I am taking the first group here. What I am taking? I am taking the first group. What is the first group here? 261. What is the first pair? 261. So in this 261 only you have to check for units place. What you have to check? You have to check for only units place. So what is the units place here? 1. So in this cube numbers, already I wrote the cube numbers here. In this cube numbers, in which value you are seeing the units place as 1. So in this cube values, which number, which units place you are seeing as 1 we have to check. So where you are seeing the units place as 1 here? In this case. Okay, so 261. In this 261 the units place is 1. So we have to check in this cube values. In which value you are getting the units place as 1 we have to check. So in which value you are getting for 1 cube you are getting the units place as 1. So the first number, the right side first number will be equals to 1. So therefore 261 will give as units place as 1. Units digit of cube root. So unit digit of a cube root as 261 ends with 1, then the cube root also ends with 1. So here the units place is 1. So in this cube root where you are seeing the 1, in which place you are seeing the 1 we have to check. So where you are seeing the 1, in this case that is 1 cube is equals to 1. So for this pair you got one digit as 1 now. So what we can write? So the units place will be, so the units place will be 1. So this is first case. This is about first group. What is the first group? 261. So what is the units place here? 1. So in this case where you are seeing 1 we have to check. In which type, in which form you are taking the units place as 1 we have to check. So where you are seeing the units place as 1 here? In the first case, that is 1 cube is equals to 1. So in that cube root value, in that one factor, that is already we know that perfect cube means product of the 3 equal factors will become a perfect cube. So in that perfect cube, the last unit digit we got it as 1 here. Now we have to check for second group. What is the second group now? Second group is 9. What is the second group? 9. So in this cube values, in which case you are not having any 9 value here. So this 9 value will lies between 8 and 27. So this 9 value will lies between 8 and 27. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So I can write here 2 cube is less than 9 is less than 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Okay, so that is 3 cube. So as the smallest number is 2, what is the smallest number in this 2? 2 cube is smaller or 3 cube is smaller? 2 cube is nothing but 8 and 3 cube is nothing but 27. So in this 8 and 27, this 8 is a smaller number. That means in 2 and 3, what is the smaller number? 2 is a smaller number. As 2 is a smaller number, 2 is a smaller number, what will be the tens place now? Tens place will be tens place of a number, of a cube number is how much? 2. So in these two cases, which is a smaller number, we have to take that one. In 2 and 3, what is the smaller number? 2 is a smaller number. So what is the smaller number here? As 2 is a smaller number, tens place of a cube number will be 2. So you got the units place also, and also you got tens place also. So what is the number here? Then the required number is cube root of 9261 is ones place you got it as 1 and tens place you got it as 2 here. So what is the cube root of 9261? That will be 21. If you multiply 21 3 times, you will get it as 9261. So this is how we will estimate the value. So once again you see this, they have given 9261. We have to find the cube root of 9261 without using prime factorization method. So here first what we have to do, we have to group the numbers. So from right side we will group the values. From right side 261 is one group and second group is how much? 9. Okay, so first group you take. What is the first group here? 261. So 261 is the first group. In this 261, what is the units place? Units place is 1. Okay, units place is 1. So which value we have to see in this cube values? For which value you are getting the units place as 1, we have to check. So where you are seeing 1 as units place? In this case, so we got the units place as 1 here. So here we are having the units place as 1. 1 cube will be equals to 1 only. Okay, so 261 will give us as a units digit of cube root. So in this, by using this, we are getting a units place value of a cube root. Okay, next as 261 ends with 1, then cube root also ends with 1. As it is ending with 1, the cube root value will also ends with 1 itself. So then the units place will be how much? 1. So you got the units place value as 1. Okay, now coming to second group. What is the second group here? 9 is the second group. So second group here. So in this all numbers, in this perfect cube numbers, where you can see the 9 value, between 8 and 27 you can see the 9 value. That is 8 is nothing but 2 cube and 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Okay, so I am taking it as 2 cube is less than, 9 is less than 3 cube value. So in this 2 cube and 3 cube, what is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. It is 2 cube is the smallest number. So what is the smallest number here? 2 is the smallest number. As 2 is the smallest number, the tens place will be what here? 2. So you got the ones place as 1 and tens place you got it as 2. So by using that you can form a number. So what is that? Cube root of 9261 will be how much? Ones place you got it as 1 and tens place you got it as 2. So that means 21 into 21 into 21 will be equals to 9261. So cube root of 9261 is how much? 21. So we will see one more example. So one more number I am taking it as 2197. It is 2197. So for this value I want to find the cube root value. So what I have to find? I want to find the cube root value. So first what we will do? We will pair the numbers from right side. First 3 numbers will be equals to first group and the remaining numbers will be equals to second group. Okay, so first you take the first group values. So what is the first group here? 197. So what is the first group? That is 197. So here you are seeing the last digit as 7. So in this cube values, where you are seeing the units place as 7, in this case 27. The units place is 7. That means we can take the value as 3 here. So the units place you got now. So 197 as 197 ends with 7, then So the units place, the cube value will ends with 3 here. Okay, this is the first units place value. You got it as 3 here. So units place value. Units place how much you got? 3 now. Now coming to second group. What is the second group? Second group is here 2. So in this case, in between which numbers you will get 2 here? Between 1 and 8 you will get as 2. Is it right? That means we can write this as 1 cube is less than 2 is less than 2 cube. So what we can write here? This 2 will be lies between 1 and 8. So it is 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So this 2 value will lies between 1 and 8. So I am taking it as 1 cube is less than 2 is less than 2 cube. So what is the smallest number here? The smallest number is how much? 1 now. In 1 and 2, what is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So this is what, which digit is this? Which place value is this? This is the tens place value. So you got the tens place value as 1. So what you got now? You got the units place also and tens place also you got. So what is the cube root value now? Cube root of 2197 is, what you got the ones place? Ones place, that is units place you got it as 3 and tens place value you got it as 1. So that means cube root of 2197 is how much? 13. So if you multiply 13 3 times, you will get it as 2197. So this is how we will estimate the cube root numbers. Now 6.5 first one will start. The first one. What is the first bit? By using prime factorization, we have to find the perfect cube root values. So by using prime factorization, we have to find. So it is, they have given 343. So what is, first we have to find the prime factorization for this. So given to find cube root of 343. So for this 343, we have to find the prime factorization first. So in which table you can take? In 7 table you can take 7 49s are, 7 7s are, 7 1s are. So 7 49s are 343, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So you can write here cube root of 343, we can write in the form of 7 into 7 into 7. So how to find the cube root? Already I have told you about cube root, that product of 3 equal factors, then one of the factor will become a cube root value. That means one factor is how much? 7. So therefore cube root of 343 is how much? 7 here. So next one, 729. So first we have to find the prime factorization for this. So 729, I am taking in 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again in 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how many 3s you got? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write this 3 cube root of 729 as cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so what do you mean by perfect cube? Perfect cube is nothing but product of 3 equal factors will make a perfect square, perfect cube. Now what we have to find? We have to find cube root. So what do you mean by cube root? Product of 3 equal factors and one of the factor will be a cube number. In the same way, product of 3 equal factors and one of the number will form a cube number, cube root number. So cube root of 729 will be equals to 9. So 9 into 9 into 9 will be equals to 729. So next one, try it as homework. Third one is 1331. This one you find it as homework. So what we have to do? We have to do first prime factorization for 1331. So remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.